chapter we'll know about the navigation system. So here in each cell, whenever you move your cursor, so there is a big plus, whenever you navigate from cell to cell, this plus will show inside the worksheet. So in rows, this will become like an arrow in different ways. It will show the total row. So in column, if you click on column, this plus will become an downward arrow. So in the ribbon, it will be an arrow here like this. So whenever you navigate to the total workbook, the cursor effect, it will different in different places, like in cells it will be in plus, in rows arrow, in columns it will be downward arrow, in ribbon it will be another pointer arrow. So in different places the navigation shows different signs. That's all for this lecture.